state-of-the-art technologies, innovative business strategies, behind the scenes, insights from cutting-edge users around the globe on World Business Review.
Organizations face increasing pressure from government regulations to eliminate errors within their business processes. CRIS Financial Software shares how to overcome these challenges.
Research has shown that organizations around the world have spent over $35 billion to improve their business processes. Application cloning and business lifecycle morphing could be a new approach to achieving corporate software solutions.
Application cloning is the ability for one software to role-play the functionality, the purposes of several different legacy systems across the functional lines of organizations. Business lifecycle morphing is the ability for systems to dynamically adopt and integrate the continuous changes in business processes, business strategies, and business transactions in order to effectively drive business intelligence.
By achieving the flexibility of changing business requirements and the business life cycle, companies are more adaptable and responsive.
The CRIS Morph IT Solutions uses application cloning and business lifecycle morphing to proactively provide application functionalities that effectively integrates your existing IT infrastructure with the continuous changes in the business lifecycle.
To improve the strength of its products, the partnership between two organizations could lead to additional benefits.
The CRIS Websidian partnership provides a secured web-based, service-oriented architecture that allows companies to interact with their customers, employees, suppliers through the web as they would in the conventional door-to-door approach.
With industries being tremendously competitive, IT is increasingly seen as the competitive differentiator.
The CRIS Morph IT utilizes a pattern technology that has been used by developers worldwide since the 1980s. CRIS Morph IT provides the platform for developers to quickly create flexible and adaptable business applications without writing code. Partners worldwide have the ability to create their own business solutions based on CRIS Morph IT.
Utilizing turnkey IT solutions, such as CRIS Financial Software, has proven to be one way for corporations to optimize business goals and strategies.
We at Burita Investments have been using the CRIS system since 2003, and it has been delivering good value. We have found that the CRIS system has an excellent design, offers good flexibility, and is easy to use.
CRIS Business Morph IT grows and it evolves with our business. What does that mean? It means that we are more adaptable and agile to new and changing business and market forces. Secondly, it allows greater reach for our clients' products and services utilizing CRIS Morph IT web-based platform.
When it comes to choosing the best software platform, a customized solution could be the answer to streamline business processes. For World Business Review, I'm Jamie Mahler reporting.